So what does PACES stands for? So PACES stands for Practical Application of Clinical Evidence System. And this is JBI's tool for supporting evidence-based quality improvement through clinical audit and feedback. It provides a structured, user-friendly platform that helps healthcare teams assess current practice against best practices or best practice recommendations. And it also facilitates that process of identifying gaps, implementing changes, and monitoring clinical practice over time. So in short, PACES is designed to help clinicians turn evidence into measurable as well as sustainable improvements in clinical practice. So what does PACES look like in practice? So here's just a snapshot of how it works step by step. So the first thing users do when they log in is to create a project in the system. PACES is flexible. It can be used for large-scale audits, which Rose and her team did a few years ago now. Or it could also be used for small team-based, evidence-based quality improvement efforts. Now, once the project is set up, users can choose from a library of evidence-based topics, clinical topics. Each of those topics have clearly defined audit criteria, which have been obtained from best practice guidelines or systematic reviews. Now, those criteria, which are embedded in PACES, make it easy for healthcare teams to measure whether their current practices are actually in line or not with best practices or with evidence. And then after the data is entered, PACES automatically generates reports like the graph that you can see on the slide. It generates a compliance report, which shows how the team is performing against each of those audit criteria, which really are reflecting your best practice recommendations. Now, that provides immediate feedback and also helps identify exactly where improvements are needed. So from project setup to measuring compliance, PACES then provides a clear framework that supports each step of the quality improvement process.